about to go show you guys Happily Ever After. It's her first Happily Ever After. So are you excited?
So we've been waiting somewhere for like
2 hours.
No, we were waiting somewhere for like 20 minutes, and then we were told that's not a spot to wait, so we had to find a second spot. You hear that? Oh my god! And then we've been waiting here for 2 hours, right? A little bit under 2 hours, and give them a preview of what it looks like.
So we're about to go live in a few minutes.
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. I can dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The stars align. We're with the evening star is shining bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share. Won't resent, won't despair. All and then I don't care. I'll out there.
having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are for.
Some people are worth nothing for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
Incredible.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are. Remember.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face,
And a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses and all the glory
we're changed by the way we live every day. Just